Have you ever looked at crypto and thought, I want a piece of that pie, but it seems so complicated? Well, you're not alone. For a long time, buying crypto was a process reserved for tech wizards and early adopters. But times have changed. Platforms like Koho are making it easier than ever to dip your toes into the world of digital currencies. So, how do you actually buy crypto with Koho? Let's dive in. First off, what is Koho? It's a financial app that's been gaining popularity for its user-friendly approach to managing your money. Think of it as your all-in-one financial hub. And now, it's also a gateway to the crypto world. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of buying crypto, let's talk about why you might want to consider it in the first place. Cryptocurrency, at its core, is digital money. It's built on technology called blockchain, which is essentially a digital ledger of transactions. Unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by central banks, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means they operate without a central authority. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and purposes. So, why would you want to own crypto? Well, for starters, it has the potential for significant returns. Bitcoin, the most well-known cryptocurrency, has seen astronomical price increases over the years. Other cryptocurrencies have also delivered impressive gains. But it's important to remember that investing in crypto is risky. The market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate wildly. Another reason to consider crypto is diversification. It can be a way to spread your investment risk across different asset classes. Traditional investments like stocks and bonds are correlated with the overall economy. Crypto, on the other hand, tends to move independently. So, adding crypto to your portfolio can help to balance things out. Alright, now let's talk about how to actually buy crypto with Koho. The process is pretty straightforward. First, you'll need to make sure you have a Koho account. If you don't already have one, you can download the app and sign up. Once you have an account, you'll need to add funds to it. You can do this by linking your bank account or by using a debit card. Once you have funds in your Koho account, you're ready to buy crypto. Here's how it works. Open the Koho app and navigate to the crypto section. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Koho offers a selection of popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Enter the amount of crypto you want to purchase. You can either enter a specific dollar amount or a specific number of coins. Review the order details, including the total cost and any fees. Confirm your purchase. That's it. Your crypto will be added to your Koho account. You can then hold onto it, sell it, or even use it to make purchases at select merchants. It's important to note that there are fees associated with buying and selling crypto. Koho charges a fee for each transaction. There may also be network fees, which are fees charged by the cryptocurrency network itself. These fees can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and market conditions. So, is buying crypto with Koho right for you? It depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a way to potentially earn high returns, crypto could be an option. But it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Crypto is a volatile investment, and you could lose money. If you're new to investing, it might be a good idea to start with smaller amounts of money and gradually increase your exposure as you learn more about the market. And remember, it's important to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.